Hi everyone, I'm gonna talk about cordless grass trimmer today. I buy from the Lidl. This is a Parkside and they are quite famous in Europe. There are many Lidls. So this is there was reasonable price, 17.5 euro. When I convert from the Bulgarian level, it was 35 level. And I buy from the corner of my garden when I use the big machine to trim my grass, and the corner is always left. So there will be the quick product review and unboxing. Inside the box there is big description and book how to use, guideline, and yeah, this is the machine. They have fuse or safety stick. If you pull out, it doesn't work, and when you pull in, it works. And machine has rotation 90 degree almost left and right corner while using, and I explain how to start. So this is the machine. There is a 2 head attachment, it comes with it. One attachment is for the grass, other attachment for the hinges. So it's very simple, and 4 volt 2 milliampere battery, and there is also a USB-C charger, and you might use any USB. You don't need to use this one, or if you depends what you need. Basically, to attachment, when you attach these parts and to release, you need to press this button. Then you can release your attachment whichever you want. So to start, you need to press left or right, because this is a safety feature. Then you press this shutter, whatever it's called. It's recommend 0.8 centimeter or 8 millimeter. Don't use for the very thick fences. And so main figure what I buy this for the grass. So now we'll test the machine. So I'm gonna use it here because I cannot cut this area with a regular big machine. Wow, probably I could not attach very well. I'll try one more. Now it's fine. Like I'm cutting the hair of somebody, the hair of mine.